Hey guys, it's Trev from Autophix Australia. I'm at the Australian Auto Aftermarket Expo and I come across on the ACM stand half a Ranger. Now this thing is awesome to see. It's open today to the public. It's going to be a bit late when you see this video, but this is an awesome example of a full drive in all its glory. So I thought I'd come down and have a chat about our 9150 FORD OBD2 scanner. Now underneath the steering wheel of this fantastic Ranger is an OBD2 port. Now for the DIY guys who like to do their own services, their own work on their vehicle, this scanner here, the 9150, is ideal for you guys because you can do your pilot learning, you can do DPF regeneration, you can do airbag resets, service resets, lots and lots of awesome FORD relative OBD2 functions. Plus, if you're in a club environment or a group environment and you're out with a Prado, a 200, a Nissan, a Amarok, whatever, it also has OBD2 functionality as well, so you can clear the codes of other brands. So the 9150, for you guys who love your FORD, a full range is better than half a Ranger, but this gives you a fantastic visual of the Ranger in all its glory. Autophix 9150 for you guys with FORDs, Rangers, Everest.